How to reset First National Bank password. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. So if you have in case forgotten or lost your password for your First National Bank account, this video is for you. In this video, I'll teach you how you can reset the password. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So just open up First National Bank online banking on your web browser. Then head over to this website, First National Bank. After you head over there, you can then see the login button on the top right. Tap on the login button. And after you're here, you will see this option that says unlock/reset your password. Tap on unlock/reset your password and it should redirect you to the reset section. So let's let this load. And while this loads, if you're new to our channel, you can head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. So after you're here, you can see your unlock or reset your online banking access. So all you have to do is enter out your user ID. So type in your user ID and then finally your date of birth. After you enter that, you can then continue, and after you continue, you can then follow the prompts to reset your password. And that's basically how you do it. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.